Today, we're diving into Google AdSense, one of the most talked about display ad networks out there. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's break down the essentials and see if it's worth your time and money. Google AdSense is designed to help website owners monetize their content by displaying ads relevant to their audience. It connects publishers with advertisers, making it easier to earn revenue through clicks and impressions. Right off the bat, the user interface is relatively straightforward. Setting up an account is fairly simple, and Google provides a wealth of resources to help you get started. What stands out is the vast array of ad formats available, from text and display ads to rich media and video ads. This flexibility allows you to customize how ads appear on your site, which can enhance user experience if done thoughtfully. However, one area that feels a bit unclear is the approval process for new sites. Some users report delays, and the criteria for acceptance seem somewhat opaque. Overall, while AdSense is definitely user-friendly for beginners, more experienced publishers might find themselves frustrated with the lack of transparency in certain processes. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, AdSense offers a reliable revenue stream for content creators and has a massive network of advertisers, which means you can find ads that resonate with your audience. A variety of ad formats is also a major plus, allowing for creative placements. But there are some downsides. Many users express frustration with the approval process, which can be slow and sometimes arbitrary. Additionally, the earnings can be inconsistent, especially if you don't have heavy traffic or the right audience demographics. Some users also report issues with ad quality, as not all ads align perfectly with their content. In short, while it can be a solid option for monetization, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially those seeking higher revenue predictability. So, should you consider Google AdSense? If you're just starting out and want a straightforward way to monetize your site, it could be worth a try. However, if you're looking for more control and potentially higher earnings, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a mixed bag, but definitely a staple in the ad network landscape.